Hey there. This is one of my newest, a 1980 something Hoover Convertible. I'm not sure on the exact year. I know it's 80s because, well, that's what I've been told anyways. I don't know when it was made. I'd like to find out the exact year someday. That's not a big deal. It has been serviced, as you can see. It's got the little service sticker there. The last service was November 5th, 1990 at Swanson's Discount Vacuum in, oh, I don't even know. That was a while back. Anyways, there's the little logo. This thing is really clean, actually, which I'm impressed by. The hood's not scratched hardly at all. There's no, well, there's some tears in the bag, which is not a big issue, but it takes the Style A top fill bags like the Concept 1 and Power Drive and several other newer Hoover machines. It's still got the 4-level height adjustment that goes all the way down to shag. Very 80s. I like the pattern on the bag. This thing, because it has been serviced within the last 25 years, runs incredibly well. It's probably one of my louder machines because it's got a lot of power. First thing you'll hear is the beater bars, because it's got steel beater bars just like the old ones to beat the crap out of the carpet and then sweep it away. So, go ahead and fire it up, and you'll hear the inrush of current into the field windings in the motor because it's massive. So, there you go. You could hear all the cat litter hitting the fan because it's a direct air. But, yeah. And look at those groove marks, too. Unlike anything else. So there you go. 1980s Hoover Convertible with a top fill A-style bag.